What is a healthy ratio of carbohydrates to proteins to fats? And what are good sources to obtain carbohydrates, proteins, and fats? And so when you have fruits, uh, they when you eat fruits, they're simple sugars and they'll turn into glycogen and give you immediate energy. Carbohydrates, grains, legumes, vegetables. These are complex carbohydrates that also break down and take a little longer to break down, but also turn into glycogen and are immediate sources of energy for you. An ideal ratio of carbohydrates to protein and fat ratio, uh, it would be really, anything like 75 or 70% carbohydrates, 15% protein, 15% fats. But it also depends on the type of carbohydrates and the proteins and the fats that you're going to consume, and you want to consume the healthiest to protect your cells so they can absorb nutrients into your bloodstream. Uh, you know, Good sources of protein um, uh, uh, would be spirulina is about 57% on 100 grams of spirulina. About 50% of that is protein. Potatoes, about 27%, 27 grams out of 100. You can get a lot of protein through vegetables, and they protect your cells. And so 15% consumption through protein, and then fat sources. Of course, with protein, that's for your amino acids and these are for the growth and nurturing of your cells. And the healthiest sources of fats are things like avocados and salmon and sunflower seeds and nuts, peanut butter. This uh, is stored in your body as fat and as a backup in case you need energy. This is a reserve to your glycogen. And if you like this information, please like and subscribe. You want to protect your cells and nurture them and take care of your body. And by doing so, you can extend your life.